Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you're all having a great and blessed day. Let's see what's come in the reading today. That's a beautiful card, Innocence. Can you see how innocent even Ganpati looks in this photo? A pretty card actually. I'm just admiring the colors. Now coming to the next one, Inner Knowing. Now that's another beautiful combination which Ganesha is coming today with. Sometimes we just need to handle things in a very loving way, in a very powerful way, but at the same time with compassion. Maybe today things will trigger you, things will make you feel angered, things will make you feel irritated, but I would say handle it with patience and love, and I'm sure that Lord Ganesha is going to show you the right path where you will come out of the issues and you will know what it is that has to be faced and how it has to be faced. Overall, I feel the day will be good, but maybe because the inner knowing has come, some of you can meditate, some of you can see a deeper perspective, some of you can try to see how you can grow in your existing career or in your existing field, because somewhere the inner knowing does not only mean the spiritual knowing, it can also mean what am I doing in life right now, where do I need to go, and what do I need to do. So sit down somewhere and just stay calm. Maybe in the morning, just after your bath, if you can get up a little early after your bath, just sit for half an hour somewhere where you will not be disturbed, and just look at burn a lamp in front of Ganpati and just look at him and focus on his third eye. Connect your third eye with his third eye and ask him what it is that he's trying to give you the knowing on, and how you need to move forward in life, and then start your day. Today, if possible, offer some flowers to Lord Ganpati, and also buy some sweets and give it to the poor today, so that life will be sweet for you in return. And today wear the color white, because I feel today is a day where you will need a lot of clarity, and that clarity will only come when you are clear from what has to be done and how it has to be done. Have a blessed and a beautiful day ahead. Thank you.